All right, guys, before I start this project, I just want to remind you that in my past life, besides being a diesel mechanic, that's when I was a young man. I went to, right out of high school, I went to UTI, Universal Technical Institute, where I got a degree in diesel mechanics. Then, after that, me and my twin brother, I opened a cabinet shop, and we ran that for about 10-15 years in Vegas. So we were a finished carpentry shop. So what I could do with a little skill saw and a little jigsaw, pretty amazing. But this install just turned out so clean, and all this ducking and that you see throughout the video. I just want to remind you guys that having that kind of skill level to really tackle something like this. I would say this air conditioner right here, like I told Doc, is probably, if you paid a company, I would guess somewhere probably around $10,000, just because the unit itself is almost $5,000. And then we probably had, what, about another $300 in parts, would you say? Yeah, different hoses and stuff like that. Another $300 in parts. So it is an even probably $5,000 just for the unit. And then it would be another $5,000 for labor if you're hiring a company, and it probably wouldn't be this clean of an install. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I want to hear in the comments, what do you guys think? What do you think at the hourly rate? It really does take two guys. Typical man-hour rates right now, if you can get somebody to work for 100, so it's $200 an hour. And probably it's 3 full days, I would say. Wouldn't you, Doc?
Absolutely.
Yeah, 3 full days on it. So I want to hear what you guys think in the comments. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I think it was awesome. It was a lot of fun, stretching my legs, working my mind, and putting this air conditioner in and seeing it all come together. It was amazing. And I want to also remind you that with my contacts and everybody I know in the industry, I was able to pick this air conditioner up. That's another huge advantage. We were able to pick this air conditioner up for under $2,000, brand new, and it's an inverted with a soft start, 16K heat and air. It does have heat, right, Doc?
Yes, sir. Heat pump.
Heat pump. So anyway, I want you to know that before you start watching the video. I'm excited. I made a few phone calls, and we ended up getting an inverted air conditioner at a really good price. That goes less than $2,000, and it's inverted 16K. I think it's heat and air inverted and soft start. So that's very cool. Brand new in the box. Done with the engines on the starboard engine here. All I got left is to bolt on those fuel filters and then put the front housing on. But then Doc wants to add some lines here for the hot water heater. So we've got to mess with that. But in the meantime, we've got a new air conditioner for the front here. So we're going to stop, put our boards back in, and then we're going to put the new air conditioner in because it is hot here. It's here in Florida. It's just miserably hot. So we'll spend the rest of the day putting this air conditioner in. But it looks like it'll come over to that side.
Do you want to turn it counterclockwise, do you think? Is that how you're going to go, or clockwise?
Yeah, I think that's what you're going to have to do is flip it all the way around. And we're trying to pull out this old air conditioner. Yeah, I think you got to flip it all the way around.
Which is clockwise or counterclockwise?
Clockwise.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking. Do you need me to get on this side and kind of push, or?
No, we'll lift it first and see if I can get a...
He got it in there, because that's not original equipment.
No, yeah, exactly.
This boat is what, 40, 50 years old?
Yeah, 77, so... 50.
I'm sure this is the way he got it in. Yeah, now, let me grab something.
Wait, okay.
You go. Maybe we got to go the other way.
Yeah.
That's it. We got the air conditioner turned around. That should just come right back. Oh, you know what? Look, Doc, this there's a drain valve on that air conditioner pan. Is that plastic? If it's plastic, it might just break off.
Mm-hmm.
But that is the only thing I can see that can hinder us, if anything.
Do you want to cut it off or unscrew it? What do you think?
I don't know.
Kind of
I got access to it right here.
Okay. Oops.
Will it look like it'll turn around in
I
there?
think so. I'm looking at the back here.
Something. Figure it out. That's it.
Oh baby, it's heavy.
Show you this because we are putting a new air conditioner in here. We're relocating the air conditioner, and I'm going to build my own plenum to distribute the air. That's what I'm going to work on today, and then hopefully get it fit today. Because we don't want to just have, before it just had a vent up on top here and the air was coming out, but now we want to move over to, there's a vent over there we want to move to, and then we want to put a vent over in the front bedroom. So today that's what I'm going to work on. And I looked at the store, I looked at all my options, but I'm going to have a custom build one. Being a custom cabinet builder, in my past life, this is a pretty easy project. It just takes a few minutes to build. All right, guys, Captain Paul, and today we're building our, it's called a plenum, right?
Plenum.
Yeah, called a plenum, and this is for our air conditioner. A plenum for our air conditioner, and Doc has a table saw, a chop saw, all the tools that we need, so we went ahead and built it here. This is where our main air comes in. This will come to the front of the boat. This will go towards the back of the boat. This will come into the main salon area right here. And we built another box right here, and we'll fit that one as soon as we know exactly where we need it to do. But anyway, we're gonna take it out there right now and go test fit it. You ready, Doc?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. That is money right there. Look at that thing. That thing fits so beautifully. The thing fit right in there. And then this will feed our front bedroom. This will feed that'll feed our rear bedroom. And this is the main one that comes right out here. We got the other little box that we built for that. So freaking cool. And now what we're doing is this vent hose right here. It has a certain place it's got to go. So I'm going to do a little notch right here, bring the air conditioner out, and then this should line up because this is for the fuel tank. This is a vent line for the fuel tank, and it comes up right there basically, so we need to make room for that. So that's what we're working on this morning. This project we thought we could do this in one day, but it's taken us 2 days. It'll be about 1.5 days to really get this air conditioner completely dialed in. That's going to take us all day, believe it or not, by the time we run all these lines and stuff, because that's going to take a few minutes too. Getting all these we have to put the insulated pipe go into the actual vent. That takes a few minutes too. It's amazing how much time it takes, because it's not just like setting it in place, a bracket, building the plenum, doing everything, hooking up all the hoses. It's like we just had to run to Home Depot, get another hose. This one was long enough, but then we needed another hose for the drain pan, and it never ends. It seems like we always need a little something to finish this thing up. But hopefully today we can get some power to it and get water flowing to it, and hopefully we can get it fired up, because it'll be much cooler in the boat also. So we got the water connected and running right now. And Doc just went out and checked. So it's pumping a lot of water. This is our intake. No, that's our intake, the bottom hose, and then it comes out through the top and it goes back out. The only thing I got left to hook up is the drain pan. And this thing will create a lot of condensation. You see where I tied it in, Doc? So it's tied in 3 different places.
That's great.
She ain't gonna go anywhere. She's in there nice and solid. We could roll this thing over and do a 360 flip, and that air conditioner ain't going anywhere. You'll just take my word for it?
Yeah, I'll take your word on that one.
Over here, hooking up the last few wires, right, Mike?
I hope so.
As soon as he gets these wires hooked up, we can test it out and see. I'll take a look at it, and then we'll test it out and see what we have. I have another air conditioner little box that we're going to put on there, and that's what will bring it out here so that we can get air out to the front here. And then you can see the two. One goes to the back, which will come out of that vent where the fan's at, and the other one will feed up into the front bedroom. Man, it is quiet. We fired it up. It's blowing ice cold air. I got air coming out of the vent. What we're going to do is take that tube, put it back into the bathroom, so that'll give us AC in the bathroom on the back there with the back air conditioner. This tube is going to go into that vent right there, and then we'll have another vent that goes up into the front bedroom, gonna be unbelievably. It's already dropped 2 degrees in this boat too. And look out, hear how quiet this thing is. And that is ice cold air right there. Really nice, super clean little install too on this thing.
Yeah, kudos to the cabinet maker who built the plenum.
Yeah, I just couldn't be happier. It just looks amazing. So me and Doc walk in the boat. I wanted to get my first impression. I touched the door, and I could feel from the outside. I could feel the coolness of the door as I walked in here. We don't even have it vented yet. We just have that opening right there, and then these 2 vents up inside there. It's not even vented yet. I do have this vent running out into the cabin right here, but this thing is, that's what we're gonna work on today, is venting this thing properly, and it should be absolutely crazy how cool, much cooler this boat is. And we could set the air conditioner probably and get this boat down to 68 degrees in this heat. That's crazy. Super. I'm jacked, dude. I can't wait to get this thing finished. Anything happens to the dock, I'm a dead man. Anyway, Doc just said, I can't believe I'm gonna have HVAC throughout the whole boat. So this is our first vent. We're cutting, so we'll cut this out, and then we'll put this little vent in there, and that'll be the first air conditioner vent and new room to be air conditioned on this HVAC project on this 50-year-old. How old is this thing?
Yeah, next year will be 50.
Yeah,
49 and change.
She's getting her 50-year anniversary facelift.
Depot maintenance.
Depot maintenance. This is what it looks like from the other side. Now remember, this vent fed, this AC fed up into here, but now it's just gonna feed the master bedroom and master bathroom. And then this new air conditioner is gonna feed all of the main galley and the front cabin. So this is our vent right here. We found this in Home Depot. That's gonna shoot down on you. Like, yeah, that would be like, that is awesome right there. That is a lot of air coming out of there.
Yeah, now this thing will...
Now you'll be running into the bathroom in the middle of the night. So we don't need any of these fans anymore. Everything should be working correctly. This back bedroom is working correctly. Now we're gonna hook up this next vent, and that is the new stuff right here going up into that vent, which will move some air up into the middle of the living room, and that's what we want. So we're gonna go run, grab some lunch, and I'm gonna make a trim piece to go over there. We can throw some vents on there. But this project's pretty well done. You see that piece of ducking back there? That comes out into this, and that comes and vents right out of here. So it's got nice ice cold air coming out of that vent right there. Really nice. We've never had air up here before, have you, Doc?
No, sir. Here you go, and get some light.
Nah, so I'm gonna call this project, the air conditioner project, done here. You see we put the vent in there, the trim board. Might have a few more adjustments, and I got a little bitty frame to build around to hold that. So I'll just put a little piece of I'll cut that, we'll screw that right there, that'll hold this filter, and then I'll build a little side thing here so you can slide your filter in and out. But that vent, we just put the vent on there, that looks great. And now he can paint this or do whatever he wants with it. Put fabric or anything on there, really. And then, but that's it for the AC. I will admit that these projects, they're just challenging. It's like, especially when you're doing a boat, there's nothing straight, nothing square. So you got to kind of really, it takes a lot of practice, but just having an open mind and just working through your problems and doing it. This thing, we came in here, it dropped another 2 degrees in the boat since we've been gone earlier. So it's just really, really cool. We could add some more venting in here if we want to. We could throw some vents down here and throw them up underneath the bed there. We're gonna call this one good. Little paint on there, Doc, and I think you got something going on. It looks super nice. You guys need any help with anything? Don't forget, I do marine consulting. I will come out and we'll consult you through an air conditioner project like this, and I'll even come out and install one. Anyway, peace out. God bless. Remember, live life with no regret. I do, and thank you so much for watching.